In the rehearsal room for Back to the Garden Sounds of Laurel Canyon, we caught up with band member Jim Soldi.
Well, actually, I'm really looking forward to doing some Linda Ronstadt, some old Linda Ronstadt, and being able to use a beat bender. The concept was actually invented by the guitar player from the Byrds. It's all done with a lever on the strap.
Wow. What does she say to that?
But, so you push it away from you in a bend?
I pull it down.
You pull it down.
And then I get it.
So it kind of imitates a pedal steel.
Sounds of Laurel Canyon, a Back to the Garden story concert streaming live from the Belly Up, Friday, November 27th at 7 p.m. Pacific. Tickets $12. Use the link to get yours now.